Hey guys, I'm Pablo, and in this video, I will introduce you to a great project. As you know guys, there has been many scam projects lately, but we are only trying to find and introduce you guys to the most trusted projects. So guys, how does this project work? What are their superiorities? We'll talk about all of them. Your child could be the recipient of $1 million. Recently, Patrick Poirier, CEO of Audefi and general partner at Dragon's Vault, committed $1 million to a philanthropic cause to financially support a child between 14 and 18 to devote their life toward generating significant technological advancement into a topic that will impact many different industries. Similarly to how computers propelled us into the 21st century, this will be spread over the person's entire life. The recipient will never have to compromise to commercial or monetary constraints. If you do happen to know a gifted, very ambitious child, please let them know how to apply. Audefi.medium.com/dragonvaults press release. There's a link in the video description too. It's a good project. So Audefi stands for Autonomous Decentralized Finance. Safeguard your cash flow with the best high-yield, low-volatility crypto on Audefi. You pretty much buy the token and get returns on it. Volatility in the crypto industry has been one of the main reasons for slow adoption of cryptocurrencies for business uses such as cash flow management. However, not all crypto assets are created equal. Audefi's token Cryptium utilizes an elastic supply mechanism to protect stakers against potential loss of value due to price volatility. Cryptium is a high-yield, low-volatility, business-focused crypto annuity. This is meant to help businesses use crypto for their cash flow without the volatility of existing crypto, while still earning high returns. So, very different from a stablecoin. Our investment fund, Dragon's Vault, will be investing into many businesses in the next few years, and we will ensure that these companies convert a portion of their cash flow to Cryptium, which will benefit all Cryptium investors. These companies will also sell us a portion of their equity in exchange for our investment. So when the company undergo an acquisition, we will have money coming back, which will further be converted back into Cryptium and pushing the price further up. This is why a large portion of the token supply is used as an investment fund. In the short term though, we will never make an investment into a business unless it is done through matching funds, meaning we can commit $100,000 if the company commit $100,000 as well. So their $100,000 is buying Cryptium from the market. Essentially, as we make investment, we grow the value of Cryptium immediately on top of the equity collateral that becomes part of the value. Cryptium is built as a two-sided token. Essentially, the market will be composed of conservative investors, businesses, or individuals, and risk-tolerant investors. Risk will be shifted from one side to the other side. When an investor stakes Cryptium, they are essentially sacrificing all the upside of the growth above a certain threshold, which we call SAPY, Staggered Annual Percentage Yield. So the conservative Cryptium stakers are nearly guaranteed to get a specific return on their investment over the next 12 months. Meanwhile, the PAXG stakers will be the risk-tolerant investors, and they will earn all the upside above SAPY that the risk-averse investors have sacrificed in exchange for lower risk. Investing in Cryptium is like investing in equity of many businesses. But more than that, it's also investing in their collective cash flow even when they don't trade equity for the additional investment. Meaning, Cryptium's price is irrelevant to stakers. Price becomes irrelevant with an elastic supply mechanism like the one used by Cryptium. Consider a fixed rate mortgage as a comparison. In such a mortgage, what matters is the interest rate and the length of time this rate is applicable. Cryptium functions in a similar fashion. Regardless of the current price of the token, the smart contract enables participants to lock a fixed rate of growth over the next 12 months. Read more about this. You can see more information on the Medium pages. I'll put all the necessary links in the video description. So guys, pre-sale will start after one day, so do not miss this chance. supply mechanism that is triggered when there is a significant drop in price. The additional supply is added to the stakers for protection against loss of value. Only day traders who do not use staking will be at significant risk from market volatility. Predictable. Predictable annuity stream for risk-averse stakers. Businesses or individuals willing to sacrifice a portion of the upside can benefit from a predictable and safe annuity stream over a period of 18 months. This is managed through collateral provided by risk-tolerant investors, which essentially shifts the risk profile between market participants. Staggered. Staggered annual percentage yield SAPY with the initial 60% SAPY return. The ratio of collateral provided by risk-tolerant investors versus risk-averse stakers will dedicate the current SAPY agreed upon between stakers at the moment of their stake and valid for the next 18 months. Equity-free. Equity-free yield on excess cash for businesses. Cryptium is designed to provide businesses with high yields and exposure to cryptocurrencies without high volatility risk. Pegged. Pegged against gold for added safety. Collateral is provided in the form of PAXG, a stablecoin pegged against the gold standard, as an internationally recognized stable asset. Trusted. Built on trusted and secure technology. Cryptium is designed to provide businesses and individuals with highly secure transactions and rigorous testing of data model and simulations by our data scientists. You will also be able to earn high income by staking. Audefi is starting the initial SAPY at 60%, so if you stake $100 of Cryptium, you'll get $160 over the next 18 months. However, you can also choose to stake $100 of PAXG, and in which case, if Cryptium grows 200%, the PAXG stakers will be the one who receive most of the upside, in this case 140% ROI, and they get their collateral back. They have two staking opportunities. One, for risk-tolerant investors who want the upside growth of Cryptium. This group stakes PAXG as the hedge against stakers of Cryptium. This group gets the upside of Cryptium as well as gains from PAXG and get fees from the transactions as a reward for taking more of the risk. Number two, they have the risk-averse group who take Cryptium. They are capped on growth. They are protected on the downside with the stakers from PAXG and from the elastic supply mechanism. Typical VC like to invest in very high risk. If you want, let's take a look at the details about pre-sale. We have slightly revised our launch plan to reduce transaction fees as well as significantly shorten our time to market. We opted to utilize the Binance Smart Chain for the short term instead of the Ethereum network in order to reduce transaction cost. The Binance Smart Chain is a decentralized network just like Ethereum that is distinct from Binance itself, the centralized exchange. So this means your token will still be under your control in your own personal wallet through MetaMask. You may have to switch the network in MetaMask to the Binance Smart Chain BSC instead of the Ethereum mainnet if it doesn't preload. It's much better to be already on the BSC network because commissions are much lower. We will be running two sales pipelines in parallel starting on March 29th, 2021, 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Public crowd sale of temporary token B at an initial price of $0.13 and trading on 1 inch. For trading, the link to buy Cryptium will be available on our website. Please be warned that anyone can list tokens, so searching for Cryptium in the list of tokens on 1 inch could result in investing in scams. Therefore, please always use our website's buy button to direct you and preload the tokens correctly. Buying Cryptium on 1 inch will enable you to trade the token freely. This is a temporary token without all the functionality described in the white paper, so there is no mechanism for preventing loss of value, etc. Over-the-counter OTC will sell at 30% discount from the public price on 1 inch. This process will be done manually at first, and you will need to pass KYC and anti-money laundering checks before you are able to buy tokens. Cryptium temporary A tokens will then be sent back to your wallet address based on the value of your transfer at the moment it was processed. It is required that you provide a proof of transfer with the transaction hash. These tokens will not have a liquidity pool on 1 inch, due to which We will have to wait until we launch the fully functional Cryptium token and staking platform in Q2 and Q3 in order to start trading these tokens. Here you see information about staking. Please get detailed information about staking from the admins. You can easily buy pre-sale coins from here. Pre-sale will start after 1 day. We can see more detailed information about the pre-sale starts. So how do we get the tokens? After starting the pre-sale, connect our BSC wallet. We can easily buy tokens. If you have any problems, you can write to the admins. Guys, this project is real and it is very beautiful. Whoever can benefit from this. I cannot give you full details that I know because I myself don't know exactly. We will see more information when the pre-sale starts. But this is a great project and it has a great future. So guys, to be informed about the innovations, follow the Telegram pages. I'll put all necessary links in the video description. So guys, we only introduced reliable systems to you so we can help you earn more easily. Thousands of investors are listening to us and traders always make good money. Maybe if you buy this coin now, you can become a millionaire after a year. So recommend this coin to everyone. So guys, if you want to buy a coin, buy it now. Let's not waste any time. I think you can make a great profit, guys, because you only find reliable projects for you. So guys, I'm putting all the social media links in the video description. You can also join the community and see more details from there. And also guys, you can get more information from the admins. Disclaimer. Trading digital assets involves significant risk and can result in the loss of your invested capital. You should ensure that you fully understand the risk involved and take into consideration your level of experience, investment objectives, and seek independent financial advice if necessary. It is up to you whether to invest or not. If there is something you don't know, please don't hesitate to ask me. So guys, I'm really happy to introduce you guys to this wonderful project. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in the next video shortly. So stay tuned.